Hello guys, my name is Subham Singh. I welcome you all in Education Tutorials. Our today's topic for discussion is Chhatrapati Shivaji Museum, which has been renamed from Mughal Museum by Mr. Yogi Adityanath. He told that how can our heroes be Mughal? He questioned in the meeting to review development work in the city. You can clearly see his tweet that आगरा में निर्माणाधीन म्यूजियम को छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज के नाम से जाना जाएगा। आपके नए उत्तर प्रदेश में गुलामी की मानसिकता के प्रतीक चिन्हों का कोई स्थान नहीं। हम सबके नायक शिवाजी महाराज हैं। जय हिंद, जय भारत। He has clearly stated that there will be no any slavery type of things situated there and that all museum will be renamed in the name of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. So this is a clear statement from Yogi Adityanath. He has renamed several other places also, including Allahabad to Prayagraj previously. He later tweeted in the Uttar Pradesh there is no place for slavery. I would like to say that what do you mean from place for slavery? I think there will be no any gulami ke mansikta type of thing, and I think he has clearly stated that there will be only place for those people who believe in nationalism. You can also relate it to communalism also, because he have done this type of things several times, and I would like to say that doing this is not a bad thing, but we must also think about the secularism of our country, because we all know that India is a secular country. There are many types of people, I think from many caste community live in our country, and if we are doing this type of things right now, I think what will be its impact on the people. So it's a very controversial topic, so we must think what we are doing right now, and let's start our discussion. The Mughal Museum project was approved in 2015 by the previous Samajwadi Party government of Akhilesh Yadav. Akhilesh Yadav had given the approval of this project in his earlier government, and at that time the name of this project was Mughal Museum, and he has clearly stated that there will be lots of things in which it will represent that how Mughal ruled our country, how they have impact in our country for the poor people, for the middle class, and for every person. So I would like to say that, but now this government have changed the name from Mughal Museum to Chhatrapati Shivaji Museum. This is around, you can see this plot also, this is around 6 acre plot, 6 acre, and this is situated near Taj Mahal. So you can understand the controversialism of this topic. There is no doubt in saying that Yogi Adityanath has been named for this type of things earlier on, because he have done this type of things many times, and he is known as the pro BJP, and he have, see, there is no any doubt that if someone believes in religion and he tells the people about his religion, then there is no any bad thing, but radicalism is very bad. See, if you are a radical Hindu, if you are a radical Muslim, that is very bad for the society, because you cannot force someone to change someone religion or this type of things, and if you cannot also change the history of something, you cannot change anything that is related to the past. But I would like to say that if this thing is going to be benefit for the people, if people will be thankful for Adityanath for this type of things, then it is quite good, because the job of government is to think for the people. You can see in the newspaper also there is a headline, Yogi names Agra Mughal Museum after Shivaji, and there are lots of things which he have done earlier on, and this is also a very big thing coming on. So I think that there is no doubt that there will be also a controversial topic, and people will raise voice against this, because in our country everything have a side effect on the people, on the community. So there is no doubt in saying that there will be side effect also. You can see here that Yogi Adityanath has also allocated rupees Rs 20 crore for this museum in its 2019 budget. And after doing this, I think that the speed of making this museum will be very high. And because we know that after promoting this amount of money, I think the workers will do a lot more to make this museum as earlier as possible. And I think he has been named, Yogi Adityanath has been named for this type of things from very earlier times. And if he is doing this type of things, thinking about the community, thinking about the particular nationalism, then it is quite good. But there must be a feeling of there must be a sensitive feeling among the people that if you are promoting this type of things in your election agenda or any for other purpose, then it is a very bad thing for society. And I would like to say that there is no doubt in saying that we must think about the government. Our government must think about the development. Our government must think about the future of the particular state. But if he is doing this type of things, then I think that is not at this time, this is not a good thing. But there is no doubt in saying that he have done many development work also for the Uttar Pradesh, and he has totally changed the Uttar Pradesh from last years. So thank you. That's all for today. Have a nice day.